Now the next topic is common factors. Okay, so first we are going to take any two numbers. We shall write the factors for it. Okay, what example have we taken here? 12 and 18. 12 and 18. Now what are the factors of 12? So of 12 and of 18, whatever it is, I said always we'll write 1 and itself as the factors, right? So here 1 and 12. These two are the first factors, right? Then next, moving on to the next number, 2 6 are 12. So therefore 2 and 6 are the factors. Then 3 4s are 12. So 3 and 4 are factors. Then do we get in the 5 table? No. So in 6 table, okay, we have already got it. 6 2s are 12. So thus, what are the factors of 12? You have 1, 12, 2, 6, 3, 4. So this is not factorization. Children, remember, just now what we have seen is factorization before this, where a number can be expressed as a product of its factors. Like suppose if you see these two, product of these two is 12. If I write it as 12 is equal to 2 into 6, that is called factorization. But here what we are writing, we are only writing what are the possible factors that 12 can have. Okay, so the next 18. So now 1, 18, 1 and itself. Then afterwards 2 table if you go, 2 9s are 18, then 3 6 are 18. In fourth table we won't get, in fifth table we won't get. So these are the factors of 18. Right, now after writing the factors, what we are doing? So just now also we have done the same thing, and again here also we are doing it. So write all the factors in ascending order, AO, ascending order. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So the same thing we have written here in ascending order. Here also in ascending order we wrote all the factors. So children, remember, after writing the factors, please write all the factors in ascending order. That will be very much comfortable for you to observe what are the factors which are common. Now we are going to look at common factors. So common, here it is 1 is common here, here also 1 is common. Here 2 is common, here also 2. 3, right, here also we have 3. Here 6, here 6. But which are not common are here 4 and 12, and here are 9 and 18. So what are the common factors that we got? 1, 2, 3, 6. So these are common factors. So hence what we will write? We have to write it as therefore 1, 2, 3 and 6 are common factors of both 12 and 18. Which numbers we have taken? 12 and 18. So now let us see the other example, writing common factors to some other two numbers. Okay. So now let us write it for 20. So what are we going to write the common factors? The first one, what is the rule? Like always write 1 and itself first. Yes, 1 and itself, 1 comma 20. Right, we are writing 1 and itself. And then next 2 tens are 20. Yes, 2 and 10. Right, then in 3 table we won't get it. Yes, in 4 table we have 4 5s are 20. Right, in 6 table we won't get, 7 table we won't get. So therefore what are the factors you have? 1, 20, 2, 10, 4, 5. Immediately after this, what we are supposed to write? We have to write in ascending order. So in ascending order if we write, so factors, so 1, then 2, then 4, 5, 10, 20. So these are the factors of number 20. So now let us write the factors for 24. 24. So again 1 and itself first. Okay, then 2 table, 2 12s are 24. Then 3 table, 3 8s are 24. Then do we have 4 table? Yes, 4 6 are 24. Yes, here we end with the factors. So what is the next step? Yes, we have to write in ascending order. We have to write in ascending order. So 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8 comma 12 and 24. So these are the factors of 24. These are the factors of 24. After writing this, what like for what purpose are we doing it? We are doing to find Common factors, yes. Now let us see which are common in this, right? So 1 of course is common in everything, right? 2, here also 2. Do we have 3 here? No. Do we have 4? Yes, here also 4, here also 4. 6 we don't have, 10 we don't have, 20 you don't have. So these are the common factors. 1, 2 and 4 are the common factors. So therefore 1, 2 and 4 are common factors of which one? Common factors of what? Both 20 and 24. So this is how we have to conclude. Okay, so we took the example of 12 and 18. We wrote the factors. Then afterwards we wrote in ascending order. Then we checked for common factors. Then now we did for 20 and 24. We did the same again. Wrote the factors first and then write the ascending order. Then we found the common factors. Okay, so then now the next one is highest common factor. How to find out highest common factor? There are methods to find out highest common factor. But here our common sense is saying, yeah, when we know the common factors, why don't you search for highest one? Okay, let us search for the highest common factors in these two. So you have 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors of both 12 and 18, is it not? So therefore which one is the highest? What is the highest common factor here? Yes, 6 is the highest common factor. 6 is the highest common factor in both. As well as like here, what is the common factor that you have? 4 is the highest common factor of both. 4 is the highest common factor of both. So like this also you can determine highest common factor even like this. I'll give you some example problems to do, right? So the homework for you is like, what is the homework that you have to do? Find common factors of what and what? I'll give you 16, 18 and this is one. The second problem 35, 54. Third problem 60 and 90. Okay children, so this is your homework for today. And then in the next class we can discuss how to find out the HCF, that is highest common factor. Okay, right now pause the video and then take the screenshot of this part so that you can copy. And then now the second part. Yes, very good. And then finally the homework part. Okay, what's the homework? You have to find the common factors of 16 and 18, 35 and 54, 60 and 90. Okay children? Okay, see you in the next class again.